Good morning, people. It's LowFX Lanky J signing in. Yeah, just saw the setup, so I just thought wise to, put it on my channel because I believe by now till tomorrow, the market's gonna move in a very, very bullish manner. So that's why I decided to do this. Yeah. So this is it. Go dive straight into the chart and let's just see what we can see right now in the market. We've got an uptrend. First of all, I told you identify our lows and our highs, and we had it that this has been our lowest, these are highest, and we've got median levels around here. But this my median level happened to be a zone, so if you can see clearly, I made it a zone. And one of the things that happened here was the market was creating higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. And there was a higher low here, and yeah. So what we discovered here was this. This was what prompted my trade. I'm currently into this market. This was the first of all we identified that this is an uptrend. That's the first thing in the 4-hour, and this was our higher low. And most recently in the 1-hourly time frame, the market has been giving us a corrective move to the downside. Yeah, I don't want to draw that a bit, but the market has been giving us a corrective move to the downside. Yeah, good. That means the market is giving us, this was our previous higher low. This was our previous higher low. I'm going to mark that here. Good. This was our previous higher low, and we discovered that the market did break it. I'm gonna draw this line here. The market broke it. So we discovered here that the market broke our previous higher low, and automatically the trend started going down, making this a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. If you can see this and head and shoulder formation, that this formation here, was what reversed the trend, the uptrend. If you could see something like this here, there was a reversal on the uptrend here. You could see this, right? There was a break of the uptrend here. Please forgive me, my chart is cloudy. Yeah, but I just wanted to let you know why we had a break on the uptrend. Good. So, but we understand that this is under the influence of a greater trend, which is the uptrend. So we're just waiting for the corrective move to be over for us to start taking our buys. You get, because all it takes for the market to come to the supportive trend is a downtrend, a mini downtrend. So this is where scalpers had to, sellers had to get into the market and make good profits. So like I said, we trade in levels, and at this level, this was our previous lower high. So all we wanted to do here was we just wanted to see the market close above this, any low of the lower highs. Let me draw this historically here. So here we discovered that was our previous lower high. Yeah. So here we discovered that the market came down. The market came down here, created a lower low, and immediately broke above this previous lower high. Good. But in some scenario, traders will expect that the market is going to come back here, give us a retest, and continue going up. No, because we had it in mind that the market will have to continue this previous trend. Good. And for the market to continue this previous trend, we need the market to bounce off a support level. That is very simple. We need the market to bounce off a supportive level. And the only supportive level here was this zone. You can see the zone here. is very clear on the 4 hours, but you can see the zone here. Slow FX, you can see the zone here. Good. And if you were like, okay, that's a good confluence. Number one, first of all, the market broke our previous lower high, which was here, confirming that the market is about to retest. Second of all, the market is now bouncing off the zone. That's number two. Then number three, if you go down to the 15 minutes, I'm in trade already, but this was my analysis. If you go down to the 15 minutes, you'll be seeing this structure here. Yep. This is the structure we see in the 15 minutes time frame. A break and a break here. You can see the head and shoulder. There was even a retest here. You can see the head and shoulder here, the invert head and shoulder here. Good. And anywhere we see this inverse head and shoulder, a double bottom, we understand that the trend is about to change. Obviously, the trend has started changing already. And you can see, you can connect your trend lines from here. Like I said, the market is at, this is our trend line here. You can see it already. So I'm going to clean this. Good. Yeah. And go back to the hourly time frame and discuss a little bit further. Then number two, I got into this trade after I saw this in the hourly time frame though. On this zone, the market started bouncing off. We had a candlestick pattern here. Let me make this bold. Yeah, you can see this candlestick pattern here. Good. This was all I needed. Good. In the 4-hourly time frame, it was a very big engulfing candle. But in the hourly time frame, it was, I guess they call this a morning star, be an evening star, a morning star, yeah. We have this bullish candle engulf the entire body of this doji and this full body candle. And this is a very, it's a signal letting us know the buyers have got into the market. And as traders, the only thing we've got to do in this market is to buy. Because these, and if you'll observe this market after the breakout, we discovered that the market broke out with a very bullish candle, and this was a corrective move. So all that the market needed to break the correction was a morning star, or let me use the word a bullish pressure, a buying pressure, and this was enough buying pressure. If you could observe, one thing I told you, and I always tell people is that after a bullish or a bearish engulfing candle, no other candle closes below. That's why your stop loss should be below, because candles, no matter how, I don't care, they don't close below. It doesn't happen. They do not close below. If you observe this bearish engulfing here, no candle closed above. If you observe this one, no candle closed below. So my stop loss was here, and I started taking the market up. As you can see, my second position already, I entered from here, the bounce off of this trend line, and I'm still in profit from this trade, from this current trade from here, and I'm currently going to enter this trade, and we're going up. So I just believe that my TP, okay, I'm going to show you my TP level. I'm take profit in levels, but currently right now, this is where the market is going to bounce off here. Don't forget, there's a level here, so that's why there's an hesitation here. The market is going to come back here. We have a zone here. Expect a little bit of manipulation here. A breakout to this up. As this is a zone, it kind of retest here. Then boom. Because we have it that we don't have any recent zone here. So this is what we see, something like this in the market. And if you connect your trend lines, if you're going to connect your trend lines, if you're going to connect your trend lines, we're going to see something like this. Good. We're going to see something like this. You get. So this is it. This is my analysis for US Swiss Slow FX signing out.